A camshaft position sensor, cam sensor, is a crucial component in a vehicle's engine management system. It monitors the rotation of the camshaft and sends the information to the Engine Control Module, ECM. Here's how it works. 1. Magnetic or Hall effect sensor. The cam sensor uses a magnetic or Hall effect sensor to detect the rotation of the camshaft. 2. Camshaft gear or tone wheel. The camshaft has a gear or tone wheel attached to it, which rotates with the camshaft. 3. Sensor detection. As the camshaft rotates, the sensor detects the changes in the magnetic field or the tone wheel's position. 4. Signal transmission. The sensor converts the detected changes into an electrical signal, which is sent to the ECM. 5. ECM interpretation. The ECM receives the signal and uses it to determine the camshaft's position, speed, and timing. The cam sensor provides critical information for engine management, including fuel injection timing. The ECM uses cam sensor data to determine when to inject fuel into the engine. Ignition timing. The ECM uses cam sensor data to determine when to fire the spark plugs. Engine speed and load. The ECM uses cam sensor data to determine engine speed and load.